Hello, I'm Dr. Carla Russo, PhD, Professor of Nutrition and Health Sciences. I'm also the Health Advisory Director for 3MT. I'm excited to share with you today about Jasmine Tao, a very special formula that is evidence-based, scientifically backed, 12 essential herbs to help the body detoxify, support weight management efforts, and enhance your performance. The 4 super herbs within our formula are Tribulus terrestris, holy thistle, hibiscus flower, and Korean red ginseng, all of which are supported by 8 additional herbs that together create that trifecta of wellness. Now, this tea is for everyone in the family, but we always advise, of course, that children or elderly, or if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, that you consult with your physicians. But here's what you can do with this tea, which is so extraordinary and exciting, because you can consume it, of course, hot or cold to your preference, and you can play with it whether you want it stronger or weaker, entirely up to you. But what I want to demonstrate for you here today are the 3 ways we recommend that you enjoy this tea. Now, first and foremost, you can consume it as what's known on the go. And that's basically as you would consume any traditional tea, where you'd simply place your tea bag in your cup, you'd take some hot water, pour it in, and let your tea steep for about 15 minutes or so until it's cooled down for you to enjoy. The nice thing about doing it on the go is that when you consume this cup of tea, you can refill it with hot water an additional 2 or 3 times, and the tea will continue to taste great and have wonderful health benefits for you. The second way you can prepare this tea is you can take a container such as this, 16 to 24 ounces of water. Go ahead and pour your hot water into this bottle. Now, this is something that you would want to do when you can let the tea sit for a while, for a few hours at minimum, to steep, to start to begin to maximize the benefits. You'd put your water in the container, gently drop the tea bag in, close it off, and let it steep. And then now you've got tea to consume throughout the day, and it'll stay nice and hot for a while. You can always reheat it or drink half of it hot and then maybe add some ice later in the day and continue to sip on it so that you're maximizing the benefits. And then for the full potency of this amazing detoxifying, weight management, performance enhancing tea, you want to let it sit and steep for about 8 hours. So this is an opportunity for you to mindfully at night before you go to bed, you heat up some water. I have about 4 cups of water left in this kettle. This is where you would take and place 2 tea bags into the 4 remaining cups of hot water and let it sit overnight. You want to let this steep so that it's nice and strong. Then in the morning, and you can leave it out on the counter or put it in the fridge, but then in the morning you'll go ahead and pour it into a gallon container, top it off with water, and now you have tea pre-made for the next 2 or 3 days depending on your consumption. Now, the tea is something that is going to help you in whole body wellness. It's going to help you with mindful preparation of it, but most important, it's going to give your body the nutrition and the support that it needs to detoxify, support that weight, and give you added energy. The tea is amazing, all natural, evidence-based science formula. So enjoy every cup and know that as you do, you are simplifying your health and amplifying your happiness.